Parts needed to prepare the gas bottle. A special gas is blended for the specific unit. Weigh the gas bottle. Keep track of the gas bottle's weight. Shake the bottle for 2 minutes to ensure the gases are well mixed. Hang the bottle up face downward. Make a setup similar to this. Slowly open the valve on the bottle. Be careful not to fill it too quickly. Fill the pressure up to 5 bar. Shut off the valve on the bottle. Turn on the unit. Wait till the compressor begins to run. This will take about 1 minute. The discharge gauge will rise as the compressor is filled with gas. The suction gauge will fall. Open the valve a little bit at a time and wait for the pressure to fall again. Repeat until the bottle is empty. Keep an eye on the suction gauge while the pressure drops. Be aware at 1 bar. When the pressure reaches under 0 bar, it will begin to suck back up again. Shut off when it reaches approximately 0.5 bar. Let it run for a few hours. At minus 80 degrees Celsius, the final pressure on the discharge gauge is between 15 and 18 bar. The final pressure on the suction gauge is approximately 1 bar. Check the weight of the gas bottle to ensure that the right amount of gas has been filled into the unit.